and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and this is your April card kit. This month's kit features Cartabella's Flora collection. So you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of green, and a sheet of red. You'll also receive 6 card bases and envelopes, and plenty of product to create those 6 cards, plus a lot more. You could use these as card bases, pull some cardstock from your stash to create more card bases, but you're going to have lots of product to work with. So for the paper, you're going to get 12 sheets of the 6x6 pad, and this one has some cut apart sheets throughout it. It is all double-sided, so you're going to have lots of florals in this collection. Here is one that it's the same print, but it's on an ivory and a navy blue. And then this gingham runs throughout in different colors, so this is kind of the pinkish to the red. And another smaller floral print. A green pattern that's tone on tone. Here is another cut apart and that same floral. And then one with some larger florals, just like a large single rose on a dark background. That gingham again in green and a small floral. And then the blue two-toned pattern. Another cut apart. You can tell the cut aparts are similar, but they come in different color schemes, or different colors that are featured in it, so you can get a wide variety of looks with this. And here is some of the rose and the red florals. That gingham in a dark blue. And I love these in the red florals on this dark, kind of looks like poppies, but it's really striking. That same tone-on-tone print now in red. And another cut apart. The great thing about this collection is, because it is double-sided, you can either use the florals and maybe create less cards, or get product from your stash and use all of these cut aparts, and you would have a ton of cards created. So here's that tone-on-tone in blue and another floral, and then that gingham in green. So that's a look at the 6x6 paper pads. Then you're also going to get 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces, so these can be used to decorate the fronts of your cards, as well as 1/2 a pack of the enamel dots from the Cartabella collection, so they're going to be a perfect match. And then one of my favorite products is the diamond stickles, so you could put that on top of the florals or in the centers, put little dots, and just add a bit of glitter and shine to your cards to make them extra special. You're also going to get a stamp set. Now I don't have the stamp set, but I can show you what it's going to look like. These are from Kelly Creates, and they have all different sayings that you can stamp for all kinds of occasions. So perfect to get your card stash growing. So if you love making cards, be sure to check out this collection. And if you're not a card maker, this is a great way to get some products and some ideas and create cards to be able to send to your friends and family throughout the year. So come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to get inspiration from the design team to create cards and more projects, and also check out the challenges and the other kits that are available in the store. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.